Okay, so we're gonna launch Photoshop and open up a new file. I chose this photo to do. So we're gonna start off with an object selection tool, which allows you to select a certain object within a photo instead of cutting it out by hand. I'm gonna give that a second. And then I'm gonna copy and paste, and then I am gonna open up a new file. You're gonna find out very quickly I chose the wrong file type, so when I copied and paste, oops, yeah, he's a little big. So go to edit, transform, and then scale, so that way you can scale him down just a bit so that way he fits this file size. From here, I'm just taking the eraser tool, kind of cleaning up the edges and corners, getting all that gunk off. And so finally, I take this background layer, unlock it, and I delete it to get this checkerboard behind it, which is ultimately how you can know it's a PNG. And then name it, and it is all good to go.